The modern job market has become a wild, fast-moving landscape. Navigating it requires being ready to adapt at a moment's notice. For decades, the standard path was predictable. You were told to pick one specific field, get a job in that industry, and commit to that single role for your entire working life. The expectation was that by climbing straight up the hierarchy of one company or field, you would earn financial security and a comfortable retirement. That straightforward route to the top is splintering apart. The single path no longer offers the same stability it once did. Following a straight career path forces us to look closer at the traditional job structure. Artificial intelligence is currently rolling over the economy. It is changing the foundation of how careers are built. This shift is hitting the bottom of the job market first, eliminating many of the roles where workers traditionally start their professional journeys. Since early 2024, entry-level job postings have dropped by nearly 30%. The lowest rungs of the career ladder are simply vanishing. This automation is also moving upward, beginning to replace the middle management roles that long served as the backbone of corporate life. Staying on those lower or middle rungs means facing a high risk of displacement as automation moves up the ladder. This is especially difficult for workers who have spent decades mastering only one highly specific task. When an entire industry shifts, relying on one specific skill can leave a worker stranded with no way to pivot. Survival in this climate requires a move towards versatility. The modern strategy for resilience is the sideways move. You jump into entirely new roles or industries to stay ahead of the curve. This is called skill stacking. It involves intentionally gathering diverse, seemingly unrelated abilities. An engineer might learn journalism, or a fitness trainer could manage a small business. Combining different fields makes workers highly valuable, and if one sector faces layoffs, you can lean on other abilities to land on your feet. Skill stacking turns a worker into a multi-tooled asset who is much harder for a company to replace. This non-linear way of working is known as the Zigzag Career. It encourages people to build multiple income streams, rather than putting all their eggs into a single employer's basket. Moving sideways can offer more flexibility, better work-life balance, and freedom to pursue different interests. The goal is to become a jack of all trades who thrives in change. The modern job market rewards the person who is most willing to zigzag.